What is up, guys? It is your boy SupJWelch back here for another video, and today I wanted to talk about a new gun. You saw the thumbnail, a new gun that's coming to Fortnite. If you logged into Fortnite, you saw it already. But I mean, for those people who haven't logged into Fortnite, who haven't, seen it yet, I mean, yes, it's an informing video, but at the same time, I wanted to actually take the time and actually talk about this for a minute. Now, a lot of my friends, and me kind of myself too, think that this gun is going to be too OP. Yes, we wanted a shotgun buff. Yes, we wanted something to be done to a shotgun, even a brand new shotgun even, but this I think will be insane. Because I have this gun unlocked in Save the World. I already know how this gun works. And in battle royale, I don't know how it will work. I honestly think, like, I'm just imagining double pump barreling to the head and then switching to your SMG, bro. I don't know how. Maybe it's like just as rare as like a heavy shotgun. Maybe it's just as rare as but then again, it'd be weird because it's like, well, which one do you take now? Do you take the heavy or the double barrel? I mean, because the heavy, once you hit those headshots with the heavy, that person is pretty much done. They were pretty much done for. When you hit those headshots with the pump, again, they're pretty much done for. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Like, I don't know if this will break the game. I don't know if it'll be too OP. I think it will be awesome to see, and hopefully it works. Like, I don't want the double barrel. As soon as the double barrel comes out, I'm guessing it. I hope it comes out tomorrow, because that's when the next update is, which I will be covering on the channel. If this video is posted, then I most likely will be covering everything that got updated tomorrow. So stay tuned on the channel. Hit the post notification. Subscribe right now if you are new to the channel. Subscribe today to join the nation. You already know. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. If there's gameplay, if I have the rest of the gameplay footage, I'll leave you guys off with some gameplay footage. This is me pre-edit, okay? So I don't know if I'll have some rest of the gameplay or some rest of any gameplay footage. But if I do, I'll leave you guys off with the rest of the gameplay. Let me know down in the comment section below. Do you think this shotgun will break the game? Or do you think the shotgun potentially will satisfy everybody who's been asking for a shotgun buff? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below your thoughts. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like on that like button. Subscribe today to join the nation. My name is SupJWelch, signing out.